Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Python 3.13.3 on macOS 15 Sequoia. First of all, open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Type here in Google search bar, download Python. Press enter. Click on first link Python official website link. www.python.org. Let's scroll down. Python latest release 3.13.3. Click on macOS. Let's scroll down. Click on Download macOS 64-bit Universal to Installer. Now the downloading is started. It is 66.8 megabits setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is our Python setup file. Let's right-click on it. Open with installer. Let's close Downloads. Welcome to the Python installer. Click Continue. Click Continue. Software License Agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. This will take 181.8 megabytes of space on your computer. Click Install. Type here ROHIT password. Click Install Software. Now the installation is started. You will have to wait until the installation is finished. Right-click on Certificate command. Open with Terminal. Press Enter. Process is completed. Let's close on it. Right-click on Update Shell Profile command. Open with Terminal. Now the process is completed. Let's close on it. Close this console. The installation was completed successfully. Click Close. Do you want to move the Python installer to the bin? In my case, I will keep this installer. Click on Keep. So that after completed Python installation, let us verify the Python version. Go to Apple menu bar. Click Go. Click Utilities. Double-click on Terminal. Type Python 3 -- version. Press Enter. As you can see the Python version 3.13.3. This means our Python install and run successfully. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to install Python 3.13.3 on macOS 15 Sequoia. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.